Welcome back to my channel, where I share all my beauty secrets with you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the bold brow look using the Raw Brow Lamination Kit. This kit is perfect for achieving defined, fluffy and bold brows that will take your makeup game to the next level. So, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing your brows. First things first, you need to prepare your brows before using the lamination kit. Start by cleaning your brows with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup or oils. Then, brush your brows upwards using a spoolie brush to see the natural shape of your brows. Step 2. Applying the lamination solution. Now that your brows are prepped, it's time to apply the lamination solution. Take the solution and apply it to your brows using the applicator brush. Make sure to apply it evenly and cover all the hairs. Step 3. Setting the solution. Once the solution is applied, it's time to set it. Take a plastic wrap and cover your brows with it. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the solution to work its magic. Step 4. Removing the solution. After 15 minutes, remove the plastic wrap and use a damp cotton pad to remove the solution. Make sure to be gentle and not rub too hard. Step 5. Shaping your brows. Now that your brows are laminated, it's time to shape them. Use a spoolie brush to brush your brows upwards and shape them according to your preference. Step 6. Finishing touches. To complete the bold brow look, you can use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any gaps and define your brows even more. And there you have it. The perfect bold brow look using the Raw Brow Lamination Kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty videos like this one. See you in my next video.